Alright, we are going to test that red alarm up there that I mounted on the house.
Wow.
And I hooked it up to our home alarm system. And I'm going to go inside and set the alarm, and we're going to try to trip it right now. Let's give it a shot. Okay, it's armed, so we're going to give it a few minutes. Alright. My humble assistant here is probably going to try to set the alarm off after it arms itself completely.
Oh, me?
Yeah. And meanwhile,
Is it going to be loud?
I don't know, we'll find out. I hope. There it is up there. You can see it. You gotta open the door and set it off. You have to open after, but wait, make sure it's done beeping and everything. Okay. So, yeah. Open it and just leave the door open and come out here and watch it.
What?
Well, you might want to stay up there because we're gonna have to turn it off. How long does it take for it to go?
What?
I wonder how long it takes for it to go. I hope it's loud. We have a siren on the inside of the house already, but this is an exterior siren with a strobe light. We'll see if it works. Just in time for some guy over here distributing flyers to homes. Man, sure does take a while. They could have had a couple computers and a TV by now. Are you sure you waited till it was armed to go in?
Hi, I'll take it. We're testing out our alarm system, so.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. It's still beeping. You hear it?
Yeah. Damn thing doesn't work, huh? There we go. Okay, good, it works. Good. Alright. Took a while, but it worked.